The tech is out there.
Embrace plants and uncover joy with Magnapot, a creative and innovative planter. Just water your Magnapot once and leave the rest to this modern planter. With its Wick integrated insert pots, Magnapot will keep your plants alive and growing. Attach them to each other and have some fun. This structural art piece will take care of the rest for you. Watch the journey of a small sprout growing in your miniature garden. Each stand comes with strong neodymium magnets. All you need to do is play with parts and find which arrangement you like best. Click and connect your planters and declutter your space. After all, Magnapot is not just a planter. The only limit to it is your creativity. It can be a dynamic decoration, a beautiful miniature garden, a luxurious desk organizer, or a faithful companion to your inner Picasso. Because we all need a little bit of Magnapot play in our lives. Something that can bring creativity and let you enjoy greenery around you. Add color and style to your life with Magnapot. It is the perfect gift to put a smile on your loved one's face, no matter their age. The possibilities are virtually limitless with this dynamic decoration. And it's a growing family with more exciting designs on the way. Create your own possibilities. Perfect for every age. Magnapot can be anything you want it to be. It's only up to you. Treat your imagination. Enjoy a little bit of Magnapot play. Magnapot.
The Lumina NRG Facial Toning Therapy Device, a 3-in-1 beauty device, supported by technology developed by NASA. It combines red LED light and microcurrent technology to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and blue LED light to target mild to moderate acne. The technology in this anti-aging device is clinically shown to temporarily refine facial contour and even out the appearance of the skin tone, all in the comfort of your own home. As you age, your skin produces less of the proteins collagen and elastin. This makes your skin appear thinner. Environmental exposure and dehydration can all make your face more likely to develop visible wrinkles. The Lumina NRG Facial Toning Therapy Device synergistically combines LED and microcurrent technology to help rejuvenate the look of your skin. This combination helps promote a more youthful appearance. The Lumina NRG Facial Toning Therapy Device delivers a low level of electrical current to help support collagen and elastin production. The microcurrent function helps to rejuvenate the look and feel of wrinkled and aging skin. Microcurrent treatments use pulsating electrical currents of low voltage to temporarily contour the face, lift sagging muscles, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This technology works on the facial muscles, similar to how exercise tones and firms the muscles of our bodies. Before you begin, first cleanse the skin, removing any makeup or skincare products. Apply the gel primer generously to the treatment area. Your skin should look wet. Place the device up to your skin and glide up slowly until you hear the beep. Move over to the first position and repeat. Control the intensity by pressing the button. You may feel a slight tingle. You can do the daily 5-minute facelift or the extended 15-minute facelift Both help temporarily improve facial contour and to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. The Lumina NRG facial toning therapy device uses light-emitting diode technology to help promote collagen production in the epidermis. Enhanced collagen production improves the overall texture of the epidermis, resulting in a more youthful, radiant appearance. It works from the inside out to help minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, acne, and uneven skin tone. Each color of light possesses a different wavelength that penetrates the skin at a specific depth. Red infrared wavelengths are the longest of the visible light spectrum between 630 to 830 nm that penetrate into the dermal layer. Red light with infrared trigger the production of collagen and elastin, plumping the skin and minimizing the appearance of wrinkle depth. Blue light wavelengths 405 to 470 nm works by killing the acne-causing bacteria at the source. While some bacteria are helpful, others promote blemish-causing conditions. Blue light activates chemicals inside these bacteria, which swell and burst when exposed to blue light and effectively causing the bacteria to self-destruct, stopping their ability to form acne. Blue light targets mild to moderate acne, leading to a clear and more even-looking skin tone. Aging is a natural part of life. The Lumina NRG facial toning therapy device helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and mild to moderate acne for younger-looking skin.
Day, it's time to get away. I wanna see it all. The world is open wide. I wanna feel alive. I hear adventure call. Hey, hey, what are you saying? Feels like a perfect day. Get lost and find our way. We camp out in our car, sleep under the stars. Feels like the world is ours. Oh yeah. This is the good life.
我们团队的优势并不是在于一款产品，因为我们这个团队已经积累了8年，然后有10几种品类的产品的开发经验，而且都是智能的，都是跟菜谱、内容、算法跟设备联动相关。再加上原本美善品这一类的产品，它更多的是只是以煮汤为主，但是有时候的一些烹饪它是需要翻炒的，我们会觉得说。这个设备它可能应该要更像锅，而不像是个杯子。杯子它只能覆盖 blender 这一类的产品的一些功能。对。但是更多 cooking 的这种煮类的这种 这样的一个功能，它其實更需要是一個更接近鍋的形態，所以我們把這款產品設計成像鍋一樣，
同埋係仲可以統計埋我哋之前用戶所有嘅數據，佢哋以前做飯、做煮唔同嘅嘢經驗，都變成我哋經驗。
我們有很多的同事是從 IT 產業是做 laptop computer 是做 smartphone 過來的，其實是有一點降維打擊，因為我們雖然載體是個家電，但是更多的其實是一些電子控制，一些軟件的算法，然後一些硬件跟軟件 APP 的一個聯動，所以我們能夠把成本能夠做得相對更有優勢，因為畢竟我們來自中國，那中國其實是在整個供應鏈的整合上面是最有優勢的一個地方。那再加上我們不單單只是做這一款產品，我們做了很多的家電，所以我們已經整合了很多的優質的供應鏈。對，那有成本優勢又有品質優勢的，所以我們能夠把產品做得既性能既好，但是在 price 在價格上面也是夠吸引人。
其實最基本嘅係除咗設計同埋我哋研發之外咧，其實最花時間係咩咧？我哋個產品做完之後，我哋會揾好多用戶去做測試，跟住用戶測試完之後，我哋仲要係我哋內部測試完之後咧，真係冇問題，我先去推出喺市面上。同埋其實佢睇下好簡單嘅，睇下我哋嗰個呢個鍋，其實我哋裏邊呢個鍋嘅設計咧，淨係呢個不鏽鋼個形狀啊，呢個曲線啊，呢個邊啊。入邊嗰啲根位啊，都會影響我哋所有嘅煮飯嘅效果。呢個鍋我哋可能測咗已經超過8次咯，超過100次。
咁啊，即係好似嗰啲角度啊，嗰啲乜嘢，全部都係要試一試咁樣。
我哋係不停咁做咗唔同嘅形狀、唔同嘅根位之後咧，我哋做咗好多唔同嘅機去做煮唔同嘅菜。係啊，跟住唔同嘅菜，例如湯啊、炒菜都會做測試，要保證係每一個菜啊、湯同埋唔同類別嘅菜譜做出嚟效果都係達到最好嘅。同埋其實我哋啱啱講係個 motor， 佢個轉數同我哋點樣配合呢個鍋嘅根同埋個加熱個速度或者溫度都會影響我哋所有嘅效果。明白，哇！即係呢個真係犀利啦。所以呢個點解要做咁耐，就係因為我哋有好多時間喺後邊做個測試同埋做我哋個廚師大力廚嗰邊做唔同嘅菜嘅時，都要做一批菜，可能做10幾20次先做一次最好嘅個菜譜嗰個曲線出嚟。特別介紹一個就是我們這個湯頭的保護套，就是剛剛說的就 V 嘛，對，就慢煮嘛，就是這個特別好用。因為我家裡面也之前我也拿了一個是這個插它那個鍋裡面這個加溫那個手臂那個機器啊，明白，對，然後加了一大鍋水，然後就溫度好煩那個，不方便，真的不方便。然後我們那個機器特別厲害，就是它會控溫，我把這個東西開進去，然後這個是什麼好處？它不會被用刀去打碎我們東西，我們可以慢慢的捲，把我們的水爐一直捲動，一直攪動在裡面，保持我們的肉或者說是食材在裡面慢慢轉動的時候，溫度是最均勻的去煮慢煮。然後我們設計其實為什麼是對稱，還有是因為防彈刀不會掏錯。如果說我們想個水爐大一點的話，我們可以用這個高一點的地方去捲。如果是順一點、慢一點的，會往一個順的地方放捲，他們的菜譜的需求了。明白。
Food is one of the main sustenances of life. But so many of us are wasting a lot of food. This hurts our budget and even the environment. To counteract this, we've created an elegant solution for you. Introducing SealVac, the world's first cordless UV vacuum sealer. SealVac can be used in the most convenient way anytime, anywhere. Your food will stay fresh for up to 5 times longer with SealVac. By vacuum packaging it, you'll even save a ton of fridge space. And it can easily be used indoors or outdoors. The SealVac also comes with 3 UVC LEDs. These lights sterilize the section of the bag that is being sealed, so that you can store food for a longer period of time in a safer and more effective way. The SealVac is able to achieve powerful performance through its Samsung batteries. To charge, simply use a C-type cable. When fully charged, it can be used 80 times. A silicone plate has also been placed along the heating wire to prevent heat damage. This means that SealVac can be used consecutively without the risk of overheating. It also comes with a vertical stand so that you can use your kitchen space more efficiently. Best of all, SealVac is super intuitive. Start and finish vacuum sealing by pressing the Auto button once. When packaging foods with a lot of liquids, use the Manual button to control the level of vacuum sealing. This can also be used to marinate meats for sous vide style cooking. With a wine stopper, you can even preserve leftover wine. SealVac is also compatible with other existing sealing bags or containers. Experience a new paradigm of food preparation and cooking in the most convenient way. With the cordless UV food vacuum sealer, SealVac.
All tech all the time.